In spite of our best efforts, we have not been able to restart the mining. But sincere efforts that have been made are, I feel, ultimately going to yield results by December end or early January. And that is what I want to sincerely say. We have chosen a roadmap wherein end of December or January, we want to close the issue, and the fruit of that will be that mining somehow we want it to start and see that economic activity restarts. Goa, which is suffering, will not suffer or made to suffer more. This is what is the thinking. I cannot spell out what will be the solution, because then again you'll have a plethora of different direction motivated counter propaganda to stop good things from happening.
मायनिंग बंद जाल्ल्यान गोंयांत बार्जवाल्यांक खूब लुकसाण जाल्या. बार्जी वेलो टॅक्स कमी करपा विशीं मायकल लोबो प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो.
Our mining, which was happening earlier on daily basis, does not start. Like barges do not get business on every second day basis. Till then, we want to charge them. They have given us a request that charges 1 rupee per ton. We are exploring possibilities to come down till this period. Last 4 years they have not paid barge tax, most of the barges. There are 80 barges, a little more than 80 barges who have not paid the tax, barge tax. So we will bring it down so that they can pay that amount. How we have exempted trucks. We are not exempting them, but we will do it like 1 rupee per ton, something like that, so that they can afford.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमारा वांगडा सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.